Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to install and set up WebdriverIO. So this is their official website. We will follow this getting started guide, uh, which is pretty simple, but I will walk you through how we can install it very quickly. So in order to install WebdriverIO, we need Node.js. It must be 12.16 or higher. You can just go to their official website, download it and set up install on your system. I'm not going to install it because I already have it. We can quickly check. So I have this latest version of Node. So next step is we can just quickly create a directory for our WebdriverIO, and we can add package JSON. Let me just quickly show you how our directory is. So there is no file yet. After this command, it will add package JSON, and this -y is to by default say yes to all the um, setup questions. So this is there. As you can see, we got our package JSON here. I will highly recommend to download this to install this WebdriverIO CLI. It makes setup very simple and easy. After installing CLI, this npx command will work for you. For this I will omit y because I want to show you how simple the setup is. It will walk you through some questions, so for now I will just keep on local. Jasmine framework. WebdriverIO has very good support with synchronization and asynchronization. It handles asynchronization pretty well in async mode, in sync mode. So just I'll recommend go with sync mode, and for now we can keep this. For now maybe we can keep spec and Chrome driver. For now leave the base URL as local, and it's installing it. Let's make a folder or a spec folder. um, Run this command, and then let's make a first test file. So let's make it test, and as you can see in async mode you need this async and then awaits a lot of additional code. So in sync mode you really don't need this extra code, and you can just go to your test file, save this, and that's it. Run your first test. That's pretty much it. So this WebDriver config is handles every basic your main configuration. So your browser configuration is just here. Max instances, you can do whatever you think is best for your suite. This is your local, sorry, base URL. um, in my other videos I'll show you how to replace this base URL based on your config files and environment. um, and yeah, so yeah, I'm using this editor, Visual Code Studio. You can use any editor for this, and I'm using this iTerm 2 for my terminal. So you can use the default terminal if you're using Mac, or yeah, that's pretty much it for now. um, so if there are any questions, anything, you can leave comments on my video. And if yeah, if there is anything I can solve, if you're having any problem on at your workplace, just leave a comment and I'll try my best to solve the issues you are facing. So bye for now.